Welcome back to Customs Unlimited, your #1 destination for top-rated and most trusted automotive lighting upgrades. I'm James, and today we're going to talk about cab lights. Everyone wants them on their truck, but not every truck meets the requirements for them to come pre-installed from the factory. If your truck did come with cab lights from the factory, then they're probably dingy, dull halogen bulbs, and honestly, who wants those? So let's cover the 3 different ways to either upgrade or add LED lights to your truck. And make sure to stay until the end because option 3 is by far the easiest. First, it's the replacement option. This is for trucks that came with cab lights from the factory. The most popular choice on CustomsUnlimited.com for OEM replacement cab lights are these LED cab lights from Recon. They make a kit for almost every truck and have created just about every possible lens and color combination you could want, included added features like color changing and Bluetooth control. To replace your OEM cab lights, all you do is simply remove your old cab lights and install the new upgraded LED cab lights where your old set was. Most kits from Recon make this very simple and require minimal modification or wiring experience needed. Second, it's the fresh install option. This is for trucks that didn't have cab lights installed from the factory and who aren't afraid of drilling into the top of the cab. Yeah, you heard that right. To install LED cab lights using this method, you'll need to drill holes for the mounting hardware, the light harness, and don't forget, you'll need to drop your headliner too to wire the cab light harness. As daunting as this all may sound, Recon once again is the most popular option. That's because they include everything you need to perform a fresh install on your truck, plus their kits are vehicle specific, so when you connect your new cab lights to your vehicle's main harness, everything works as if it came from the factory that way. All of their OEM replacement options come as a fresh install option too, so you won't have to worry about a lack of color, lens, and functionality choices either. Our third and final option, the one you've all been waiting for, it's wireless cab lights. Listen, we didn't know this option existed either, but if you always wanted to have cab lights and didn't want to drill holes in the top of your cab, then wireless cab lights are perfect for you. Spirit Fire, a veteran Michigan-owned company, has become our favorite among our customers because they're solar-powered cab lights and how easy they are to install. So, how do they work? First, they attach using the same automotive-grade adhesive that OEMs use on their badges and emblems from the factory, so you know it's strong and it isn't going to come off easily. Next, they're solar-powered, so there's no need for any wiring. Each light independently charges automatically during the day. Plus, this is the latest solar power panel technology, so it only takes between 1 to 2 hours for a full charge, which can then perform over 8 hours of constant illumination. Finally, they're vibration and low light activated, so your cab lights will only be on when your vehicle is in use. Spirit Fire calls this technology Night Vibe. These solar-powered wireless cab lights have become a favorite among those that have a lease and aren't looking to modify their vehicle permanently, but also they're perfect if you simply want to avoid the headache of manually wiring a fresh install and drilling into your cab. If you're looking to pick up some Spirit Fire cab lights, they're universal and have the choice between stock amber and pure white. As you can see, when it comes to upgrading your cab lights to LEDs, CustomsUnlimited.com is the best place to pick up the upgrade that is best for you and your build. We carry the best brands and the latest lighting upgrades available all in one place. If you found this video helpful, toss us a like and subscribe to our channel for more lighting content, install guides, and the latest lighting upgrade news. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.